So now, when you reach Toronto, immigration process. Before starting, let me tell you, it's not hard. It's not hard. I won't be scaring you just by writing, oh my god, immigration. No, 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 no. For everyone, it was smooth. If you are not doing anything wrong, let me tell you, डरने का कोई reason नहीं है. You are not an alien, right? You are not doing anything wrong. तुम जो भी कर रहे हो, तुम यहाँ आ रहे हो, you had a process, तुमने apply किया है. Well and good. Why are you scared then? For what are you scared then? That's a question. You don't have to be scared. My immigration, we landed in Toronto by the time I think in morning 6 or 7. Not even 20 minutes. 20 minutes would be also be like much more than what it took for me. It was so easy. It was so easy, I cannot even tell you how easy it was. As soon as you come down, you will see people telling you to move this way, okay? So there will be big screens, okay? I'll add a picture. There will be big screens. You'll have to go. There will be people, they'll help you. Don't worry. If you have any doubt, just go to them and say कि कि मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, I cannot do this, can you help me? They'll help you. You'll just have to go and scan your passport. Okay? Then the machine will come down or up and it will be written कि, look at the camera. Okay, look at the camera and then you will get a print. Important print again. That will contain your passport details, not much passport details, but passport details, and then it will have that picture that got clicked. That's important. That's really important because as you go through the process, you'll see that they'll be using different colors of pens. I had like pink something, it is done by the first stage or it is done by second. So they use the colors on that page itself. So you need to keep that page with you. So after that is done, they'll ask you to go to the next stage. You'll just have to go there, and at first stage they'll ask your COVID report. Where are you going? Your 3-day quarantine. That's where the 3-day quarantine question is asked. They'll clarify, they'll confirm everything in the paper form. So as soon as they asked me about the COVID test, just straight to them. Just be good, greet them. They're also doing your work. People just get so scared that you just fail to have communication. Don't do that. They're doing their work. It's absolutely wrong. अगर वो आपके दिमाग में है, वो आपको नहीं डराते हैं. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Just be good to them. Say good morning, how are you, everything. Just be good to them. So yeah, these were the questions: passport, COVID report, where are you staying, what are you doing, for what are you here, and all those basic questions. So then at that sheet of paper, she used, I think, a pink marker and she had just a cross. And then she said, ki, go to the next step. There'll be some people, they'll help you. So when you go to the next step, they'll ask that paper, they'll see the color and then they'll divert you. Ki, just go to that way, go to that way. So yeah, that's why I'm saying that paper is important. Then I was straight directly to the offices. That was a kind of a room. That's where you get your visa. That's where you get your visa. So he just asked me for passport, my name and everything. He just asked me, in which college are you? And give me a proof that you are studying. I was like, okay, if that is, I kind of showed all the papers that I had. I was with the acceptance letter, the fee receipt, my enrollment letters, both semester. I'm in second semester right now. So my first semester enrollment, second semester enrollment, my results, my timetable. I had a screenshot of it. Timetable, everything. I showed him everything. He didn't ask any other question. Just have that confidence. If you're scared, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हो, सामने वाला बंदा is so scared, you'll feel कि शायद ये कुछ गलत कर रहा है, इसीलिए इतना डरा हुआ है. You don't have to be scared because you're doing nothing wrong. आप तारों के नीचे से नहीं आ रहे हो. You're coming through a reliable source. You're coming through a way. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Yeah, that's what. Then they gave me a paper. That was my visa. They asked me to check all the information. Please check the time period that you have. That match exactly what you have in the passport while the stamping done. Just check that you have same. Then I had a section where it was written according to section 1 something that so I asked him, I asked them questions. I asked them, what is this, what does that mean? Then he was like that while you're in college, according to this section, you can work 20 hours but not more than that if you're having good grades and everything like that. I was like, okay, done, immigration done. Yes, done. It was not even 20 minutes. That's what I'm saying. Nobody would have gone through that process more than half hour. Nobody, trust me. Half hour would be also the max. Max half hour. Otherwise, nobody has gone through a problem. People are very helpful here. Trust me, these people are very helpful. So after that, I just left the place and I went to get my baggage. And then they'll give you something like this. This is an 8th day COVID test pack. It contains everything, the instruction, this, the swabs, a proper manual, how to do it. They'll possibly video call you. Then you have to do the test on the 8th day. You'll get the OTP on the number itself. You'll get information on the number also. So yeah, you need to take care of that. So you can get the app in your phone or tablet or laptop, whatever you want. The instructions are there. You don't have to stress. सारे instructions इसमें हैं. आपको ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have any doubt, just go and ask them. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But सारे instruction इस पे आपको दिए हुए हैं. उसके बाद फिर आपको अपने घर के बाहर आप जहाँ पे भी आप Airbnb कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे भी for rest, you'll have to do this and keep it. वो आके फिर ले जाएंगे. That's not a problem. It's just you'll feel good when you reach, because I know there are a lot of people who are struggling out there. I know. I hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I could give you all the information that I had. So yeah, thank you. Till then, stay safe. Best of luck, and yeah, I just hope and wish that everybody who wants to come to this place comes as soon as possible. Yeah. And one more thing, if you're coming by Mexico, my 110% votes on it. Trust me, my 110% votes. No issue. It was so smooth. It was so easy. You can even stay in Mexico for 2-3 days, have fun. If you have a group, go out. Language barrier, remember that. Just go out, have fun. It's lovely. It's easy, let me tell you. You don't have to suffer much in this route. It's hectic. You'll get tired. That's it. So yeah, thank you.